G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make 4 ingredient chocolate peanut butter bars. So yummy, so easy, let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a mixing bowl or just a large bowl or a bag that you can put these in. Get 1 packet of some sort of biscuits. I'm using Scotch finger, doesn't really matter. Chuck them in the bowl, and then we want to, you can either crush them into fine powder or just cut them into little tiny pieces. So just crush them up however you want. Rolling pin, a glass, your hand. Now just set this aside or pour this into another bowl, and then we want to use a microwave safe bowl for the next part. So either reuse that, use another one or something else. Get a microwave safe bowl and chuck in 200 grams of milk chocolate. Chuck this in the microwave on high for 30 seconds and then give it a stir and repeat that process until it's melted. Now the chocolate's melted, get about 120 grams of butter, leave it out so it's softened at room temperature, chuck it all in there and just mix it through until it's melted. And if it doesn't quite melt, just pop it in the microwave for 10 or 15 seconds until it does. Now add about 150 grams of smooth peanut butter. Looks like a lizard. Now just mix this through. Now get the crushed biscuits or cookies, pour that in, mix it together. Lovely. Now for this, get a baking tray. I'm using a baking tray that's got little squares in it. You can use a flat one and turn it into a slice, cut it into pieces, but I like this. So just put it in there, make sure it's greased or non-stick. Once you've got it in there, flatten it down. And once you've put it all in here, chuck it in the fridge for about half an hour or so to let it set. Well, I hope you like these. So good. Christmas. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple